Who could it be? Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
This be the clutch. Oh my god. Oh my god. My goodness. What else do we have? Using foot. Whoops. Oh, ARC DC8. Placeable bushings. Cool stuff. This is awesome. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's cold and rainy, sort of, but try to go for a ride and test this out. Chain, and that should be it. I got the wheel bearing in too. Oh shit, where'd that? Oh yeah, it's in there. So let's put the clutch on. It's usually an 8mm. So we're taking this one off. We're gonna be taking this clutch line out of the bottom right here, where you can see it there. Sweet, got it installed, covered. Yeah, so good to go ride. Clutch pull's super easy. It's really good. I like it. Today we're gonna go shopping for some new parts, maybe just online, but we're gonna go to a couple stores, see if we can track down a couple. Deciding on what to do next. Sorry I haven't uploaded in the last week. Just been busy with a couple new things that's going on. Here we go. Well, that was unsuccessful. Nothing cool. We're heading to Best Buy. I need a good oil change. Just some things I'll fill you guys in on. I've done some ordering on the internet. Tracked down some parts at local shops. Got some new axle blocks, red anodized pieces, little bling parts. Make the bike look cool. Just waiting on some spokes now. And maybe a big graphics kit. Trying to design that with a sponsor. Since I haven't had any content, I might just take y'all around and do some day in the life vlog today. Look at Laza and Madeline. Lindsay! God! Will, come on, do you feel like for later? Should we get a 6? Wait, what happened to the sign, y'all? No more sign.
It fell. Do you have like a YouTube channel?
Double chocolate.
Have a great day. Sorry, double chocolate chunk.
Chocolate chunk.
Sorry that I let you know.